Okay. The purpose of this last minute is to record a quick video about the Investor Direct Mail portal, the Flip That Contract marketing portal, and everything it can provide to you. So the URL to access the portal is investordirectmail.com. It's not www.investor. It's HTTP. You just go to investordirectmail.com. Once you do that, it'll take you to the screen. If it's your first time at the screen, you will. Okay, it's hard to hear me. I'm breaking up. Okay, let me turn the volume up here. If it's the first time at the site, you'll need to register, and that will let you create a username and password. When you log in, it will take you to this screen. This screen is your home screen. The buy a list function is not fully functional at this time, but if you currently have lists that you bought from Foreclosure Listing Service, like the probate list, something of that nature, you can upload a list here. What I'm going to do is just take you through some of the options and then just let you play with it. Here you see all the different templates that we've uploaded. So here's the Investor Series, which is several different colors and format and all these different fonts. And you see pricing, and it's the same for any template you select. The color postcards are going to be a little bit more expensive, and this Cap Houses postcard, it's smaller and cheaper. So if you're ordering 2,500 or more, the price on this is actually all the way down to 29 cents a piece. So it's a great deal. Some of you aren't even able to mail like this by printing yourself. So we're really happy to be able to bring it to you. We're going to get the Investor Series. Go into we sell next week. Here you can change the background. I'm going to change this to a green postcard. We'll go to now. And this is where you can pick all the different fonts. We'll pick this out here. I've uploaded a couple lists. Once you upload the list, you have to match them. Just click match. Address would be on my list, the mail address. Mailing C. So I have owner name in one column instead of in multiple. Owner name in the first name. Mailing state. Mailing zip. And that list is matched. I would simply hit go down. Pick the ship date. Earliest I can pick right now is the 2nd. Let's say I'm scheduled for next Friday. I can hit OK. And I can it asks me which format I would like you to proof in. Say PDF. Now we'll look at the first 5 rows. And there's the back. There it is in green, as we talked about. All of this information for me is auto-populated through my account, which is the way guys will do. You set up your account. Now, the audio quality on this call should get a little bit better now. I was actually in the process of converting a video that I just got through recording. It's 30 minutes of me doing my first order and of me putting together my and actually processing and paying for my first order and setting up my account. So then you just hit add to cart. You can check out, you can email a proof, you can edit it, or you can simply continue shopping, where if I wanted to, I could say for this letter, I could select this template, enter the date that I want to display. Say it's December 3rd, 2011. I would hit go to the next step. It shows me the way the envelope would look. Again, this envelope is the same font that I use, designed to look as if it's handwritten. Now, every time you go in here, you actually have to match it. So I'm going to match this letter. Again, address is the mailing address. City would be mailing city. First name, since I don't have my list broken up into first and last name, it's simply owner name. Property address is matched. Mailing state. Mailing zip. Match the list. And then I would simply hit go to next step. Again, pick the ship date. I would hit add to cart. And now I can hit view proof. And again, you can view it as a JPEG or a PDF. I recommend a PDF. First 3 records. And the proof it generates is, it populates your company name, the date you put in, the owner's information, their property address is here, all the information, your phone number, signs it for you, shows you what the letter would look like. And that's your proof. Guys, don't try to get into this portal and expect it to do everything for you. It's fairly simple. Like I said, I just recorded a 30-minute video of my first registration. I had never actually used the portal myself. I had had to watch other people do it. I registered, set up my account, got in, uploaded my list, had to manipulate the fields a little bit. Again, it's all about just matching the headers. You have to know what the headers are in the list you upload. We're going to have several coaching calls on this over the next week. I just want to do a quick introduction. Remember, for right now on the portal, buy a list does not work completely. There are some parts of it work, but if I was you, I would not even try to use the buy a list right now. If you need a list, you need to just call Foreclosure Listing Service and buy the list there. And that's only if you're in the state of Texas. If you're outside of the state of Texas, just be patient about another week, and we'll be able to get that up for the other states. But get in there, and remember, if you want to access the portal, it is investordirectmail.com. No www. It will work. If you do the www.investordirectmail, it will take you here, but it does not have the registration link. You have to do it without the www. Just http://investordirectmail.com. And if you haven't registered yet, you just click on register here. Input all your information. Remember, this information will be used in your mailings, so make sure it's accurate. Make sure it's the right phone number. Do not change the dealer code. That will mess up the system. It's auto-populated for you. And that's how it works. So again, the point of this was just to do a real quick call, let you know this thing is out there and available. I'm going to post it to the portal. It just finished compressing the 30-minute video I recorded about of me doing my first order. I'm going to post it as well right now, so check the Flip That Contract portal in about 15-20 minutes, and it will be up and going, and we'll announce a couple other coaching calls on this for Q&A sessions later this week. So if you're late to join us, sorry about the late notice, but George and I have just been working really hard to get this thing up and going over the last couple months, and they finally got ready to use, and I know that we're nearing the 1st of December, so I wanted to get it out to you guys as quick as possible. So we'll talk to you tomorrow or the next day. We'll have a couple other training calls on this, and we'll let you know as the other features are available.